want to show you to JBR Dubai, but not in this downstairs, but I'm gonna show you up there. That's Plaza floor. So let's get it. Everything from here. There's the beach. Yeah. Here we go. The gym, but I'm not going inside. So around. We also have Plaza, and that's challenge like scary. I don't know. Now we're going to Rimal. That's Marina, and that's JBR. This is my apartment pool. And yeah, no one's here because almost iftar, and I don't want to swim too. So I'm outside. And here is my favorite place because it's exactly behind my apartment. I don't know which one is my room. But look it, it's like home. Nobody's here. Restaurant there, and this is also my favorite place to make a cover video. This is really